What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in this video we are going to talk about every single thing which you need to know about the Oneplus Nord 2 5G and every specification, the launch date and the expected launch price, also with the pre-booking discounts. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel and also hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us, and also help us reaching out as our 1000 subscriber goal. Now first, let's talk about the potential specification of the Oneplus Nord 2. So starting off with the display, the Nord 2 will come with a 6.43-inch of full AMOLED HD Plus display, which will support of a 90Hz refresh rate too. And it will also come with a single punch hole selfie cutout for the selfie snapper and also the in-display fingerprint sensor. On the camera side, it will feature a triple camera setup instead of a quad camera from the original Nord, but this time there will be a primary camera of 50 megapixel of Sony IMX766 primary sensor, which was the custom design for the OnePlus 9 series, so we can expect a good quality photos from this phone. Not only that, it will also feature an 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera and a 2 megapixel of macro lens. For the selfie lovers, it will be having a 32 megapixels front selfie camera. Inside the Nord 2, it will feature a flagship processor and the very first time the MediaTek Dimensity 1200 5G chipset. This is the first time that the OnePlus is using a MediaTek processor and not a Snapdragon one, which is the latest one, as I said, and it's based on the 6nm processor. Now this will be coupled with up to 12GB of RAM and also 256GB of storage. The base storage of this phone will be of 8 plus 128 and it will go up to 12 plus 256. Not only that, the battery will also get a bump up and it will be same as the OnePlus Nord Core Edition or the OnePlus Nord CE at 4500 mAh battery, which is bigger than the 41 and a 15 mAh battery from the original Nord. So we can expect a significant increase in the battery life too. Now if we talk about the other things such as the headphone jack might be gone in this one, and not only that, the phone will run on the Oxygen OS 11 out of the box. Now talking about the pricing of the OnePlus Nord 2, it will start at Rs 30,000 for the base variant of 8 plus 128GB storage, and for the 12 plus 256 it will start at around 33 to 34,000 rupees. On the availability, the phone will launch in July in a separate event from the OnePlus, and the phone might also feature a stereo speaker setup this time. On the bank discounts and the pre-booking offers for the OnePlus Nord 2, we can expect a 1000 rupees off from the HDFC bank card for the credit or the debit card, and also not only that, there will be also a 500 rupees off in terms of the Amazon Pay balance if you order the phone from the Amazon. So if you like this video, then do not forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Phantom and also hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.